Hey guys, it's Callum here. I'm going to start doing some drawing videos for kids, and we're going to start off by drawing a cow. So if you can get your grey lead pencil and paper and a black marker, I'm sure we can make a great picture. Alright, so to start with, we've got to draw an oval. So we've got to draw a bit of an oval like that. Okay. It's a little bit messy, but it's okay. And next thing, we've got to draw, I guess it's an oval sort of shape as well, over here. It's an oval, but it's got sort of straight sides to it. We don't worry about these lines in here, so we're going to rub those ones out. There we go. So we've got this kind of shape here now. And we're going to do a little line like that. And now we're going to add ears. Kind of come out a bit like this. And go down. It's almost like a leaf sort of shape. And a line there. And do the same thing on the other side. And then back down to make that leaf shape. And then over. There we go. Now we're going to make the horns. There are horns on this cow. One horn there. And another one just there like that. And we can also do the eyes. There we go. There are the eyes for this cow. Alright, we're also going to add some circles in here, and they can be like the spots on the cow. Now, some cows have spots on them. Be like that. Also going to add some legs now, because as we know, cows have legs. A bit like that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make that a little bit more round. Alright, his eyes are a little bit high. Let's do that one again. It's down there. Awesome. Now we're going to maybe do another spot there. I'm going to add the nose. So, a bit like the eyes, except we don't colour them in, just circles, ovals there. Awesome, now we've got the tail. The tail comes out here like this. Then the bushy part of the tail is there. And we've got the udder, which is where our milk comes from. We don't just buy it at the shop, that's not where it comes from. It comes from there, from the cow. Right, I'm just going to actually do these. So we've got the feet of the cow. Now I'm going to go over it in texta, but I will stop the video and then I'll just show you the end result with the texta all done. Right. And there we have it. There's our black and white cow all coloured in and ready to go up on the wall.